Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video I will show you how to increase your Fiverr sales, so you can establish an online business that increases your income or even replaces your offline income streams. In this video, you will learn exactly how to do it, with Fiverr. Trust me, if you diligently implement all the tips you are about to learn, you will end up setting up a powerful Fiverr account that will earn you hundreds of dollars a month. Now, let's start. Online business is not as optimistic as some people may have made you believe. But I can offer advice that helps facilitate your journey towards creating a successful online deal. There will be times when this business is very difficult, when nothing it seems to be on your way, and when you feel like quitting. These are natural states that we all experience. The golden secret remains determined and do not yield to them. You must learn to handle these situations and feelings. There is one thing that I can guarantee with absolute clarity: if you do not follow the steps that I will share in this course, you will not achieve expected results. So, prepare your mind for success by having a strong determination to implement everything you learn. If you do, in the near future, you will look with pride at what you have accomplished. However, the problem with Fiverr is that it can be a nightmare if you don't know the right concert providers to use or how to drive traffic to your concerts. Unless you know the right concert to provide or how to get quality traffic to your concerts, you could be wasting your time and money running in Fiverr circles. This will be useful for 1. A principle of Fiverr. 2. A Fiverr seller who is no longer satisfied. 3. Your success at Fiverr. 4. A mom at home looking for a free scam to do. 5. Money online from home. So let's jump straight into this. Are you ready to learn the Fiverr ropes, apply the lessons taught here, and become successful Fiverring? Then keep watching the video till the end, not skip in between so that you don't miss out anything. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a website for buying or selling a gig that provides a talent or service for $5. There is no upfront cost for sellers. Buyers must pay $5 before their order for a gig is sent to the seller. Create popular gigs to sell with deadlines you can meet. Be sure to read the guidelines so as not to have a gig denied like one of mine. It was too heavy on the promotion of another site, like Twitter, Amazon, etc. Stay on top of active orders. You will receive an email when you receive an order. Limit date. The clock begins to mark the moment when his concert is ordered. The sheet above shows my active orders with their respective deadlines. Deliver order promptly. Once you have completed the order, you click on the Deliver Now button. A message box will appear with an attachment option. Provide text, links, and screenshots whenever applicable as proof of your work. And always thank the buyer for the order. Communicate with the buyers. Your Fiverr inbox, below, alerts you to feedback that a buyer has left for you. You in turn leave feedback for the buyer. Ratings rule. You can ask your questions with the buyers if you don't have enough information to complete an order. Sometimes buyers will order a gig, the clock will start counting down, and for reasons beyond your control you can't complete the order. Fiverr has a resolution center in which you can seek to cancel an order if problems arise. It stops the countdown clock until a resolution occurs that allows you to complete the order. Share your active gigs on Twitter and Facebook often. Fiverr has an option to tweet your gigs and share them on Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Add on gig extra for another $60 plus per gig. After you reach level 1, you are allowed to add gig extras to your gigs. Your gig extras include quicker delivery time and posting reviews to sites like Amazon, Goodreads, or the buyer choice. You can charge an additional $5, $10, or $20 per gig extra for up to 3 add-ons at level 1. As you level up, the gig extras and revenue increases. Disclosure: $1 is retained by Fiverr for their portion of each sale. The amount available to you after their portion was retained. Funds are available 14 days after the buyer marks your order complete. Payments are provided via PayPal within minutes of your withdrawal from Fiverr. You pay the fee associated, which normally averages to 8 cents. The payment alternative is a Fiverr revenue card, which has quite a few fees attached to it. It may seem like a lot of work is involved for some gigs to only be compensated $5, $4, $3.92. But you can make your gigs as easy or as complex as you like. The revenue adds up over time. And the higher your status, the more you can charge. How to boost your sales over 100%, 3 ways. So how do I do that? Optimize your headline, think as a reader. For instance, you see something like, "I will write for you for $5 and I will write constructive and engaging article on your chosen subject for $5. Which would you choose? I bet you would go for the later. Why? Simply because it's much catchy and promising, plus it has an 85% assurance that readers will see it and will be compelled to take action by ordering your gig. To get the utmost from Fiverr, you will need to work on your headlines. If you've not yet done that, go sign into your account and start editing your headline with catchy phrases, like the example I gave above. Make sure you include your keywords somewhere in the headline, it will help rank your gig high on Fiverr search. Have you worked on your headline yet? Then the next one is what you should look to fix. What's it? Optimize your images, so you've optimized your headline. Fine. The next best thing to do is to optimize your images. How do you do that? Again, it's simple. All you need to do is to grab an image, a fantastic and representable image that will speak volume of your person and why buyers need to hire you for their projects. Warning, don't go using an image from Google Images. It will hurt your gig. Instead, create your own images with either Picnic, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or perhaps Fireworks. So you've got an image? Then go ahead and insert the image into your gig. But before you do that, try to optimize it for your keywords. Here, if you've already saved it, go back and rename it. Instead of just naming it article writing, you will put all the keywords you want it to rank for. You can add as many as you can, since you can't do that with the description, which I will be mentioning just now. Write a mind-blowing sales page. Yes, you heard me right. Your description is your sales page, and the success of your Fiverr experience starts and ends with it. If your description is bad, so will your experience be? I see fellow Fiverrians put up crappy and copied descriptions from other Fiverr sellers. Aside from the fact that it's wrong and unethical, it's also a drawback to buyers, as it's almost certain that some of them would have come across that kind of description elsewhere, since they shop a lot. And just because a top-rated seller has a short description does not mean you should too. And mind you, Google and humans love detailed analysis of whatever they are going into. Get a video. Fiverr team specifically stated that gigs with videos convert more into sales. Why? That's because people want to know who, what, and why they should work with you. And the only way to do that is by putting up a video. Be at ease. You can always use an animated video to complement your gig and start making sales. Optimize your tags. Tags are a good way to search for things in reader sites' search box to search for things relating to their keywords, not to use tags when I know that readers are hungry and always want to consume one piece or the other. Announce your revival, so it's the time to announce to the world around you that you are now on Fiverr selling your talents for $5. Fiverr is not a place where you create and wait for people to patronize you. Even though Fiverr poses over 3 million users and ranks as 1 to maybe 10 popular sites in the weblogs here, you will still have to do some little marketing to get more views and clicks to your gigs, which will surely lead to more sales, and that's what I am about to show you here. Make use of the buyer's request option on Fiverr. Fiverr is really the best marketplace, and owing to the fact they want every one of their sellers to rock sale, they had to make available this amazing option. Use Fiverr Forum to market your Fiverr gigs. One of the things you will learn from the 3-month study of what Fiverr is can make you successful. Ask your buyers for positive feedback. If you want to make your gigs more popular and attractive, you should ask your buyers to post positive feedback and good rating when you finish your tasks. This will make other potential buyers have more trust on your gigs and your turnaround time. Offer something unique. Sure, you will get sales at 100%, but make sure that your gigs are funny, weird, attractive, and outstanding, of course. I wish you success in your attempts to make money online. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.